Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the feature to import folders into Power BI to work with refreshable data, for example monthly lists. Check this out. So guys, what we see here is normal Explorer folder here in my Windows Explorer with monthly lists. So if I open it, you will see I have the February data, the January data and the March data. Now what I will do now is I will cut this here and put it in here outside of the folder. This is my March data. Now if I just open one of these files, for example here this January file, you will see just a simple file, names, salary, date of birth. It's formatted as a table, as you can check out here, and very important over here we have this salary list name for the table, and this name you will find in each and every one of these three files. So every table here has the same name. For example, if I open up March, just for you guys to compare, you will see this now. The March is the March data. You'll see the same columns, the same format, and here, check it out, it's salary list. So this is very important. Other than that, of course, we have different numbers in March, in February and in January. Now, what I will do now, I will import this folder with these two files, January and February, just these two files at first, into my Power BI. So, I will switch to my Power BI, and then I'll go to Get Data. I pick More. As you guys know, there are a lot of sources you can choose for Power BI to import from. And then, very important, I can go here or I go to File and I pick Folder. So the whole folder. Important, there are at least two files in these folders, like in my example, with the same structure, the same field, the same formatting. For example, classical type would be months list, like I have in this case here. Now, I go to my folder here. I have it here in this path. So CSC data, this is monthly list. So this is exactly the folder I showed you earlier. So if I pick this folder now and I confirm, Power Query will combine and transform. So if you check out here, you see here my data, January data, February data. I go to combine and transform the data, the two files of them. Okay, they're being transformed into Power BI. And very important, what you pick now, see first file and the second file, you pick the parameter salary list, so the name of the table, which is the same in both files and also in March file. So I pick this one, this parameter, to work with. Don't pick this table name, pick this name, the parameter, the name of the table. So I go here, and what happens now is Power Query will import both files into Power BI. So it will be called monthly list, of course, the same name as the folder. And the thing is, if you work with this, you now can refresh it with new data, and just by drag and drop. And let me show you this, guys. Now if you check it out here, it seemed to work. So I'm back in my Power BI. I see this monthly list here. I can pick, for example, this visual like a matrix, and then I can go here and, for example, take the name, the first name, and the salary into the matrix. So I will don't pick the first name. I will go like this now here. Now this is just for demonstration purposes. Just check out the first guy, Dayon. This is his salary from January and February, as these two files were or are in this folder. See? So what you see here is the combined salary for the first 2 months. Now the magic happens. I go back to my Windows Explorer here, and as you guys see, we have this monthly list. As you just saw, we have January, February here. These two files are already imported. Now I just drag and drop this March data file into my folder. That's all. I go back to Power BI, here into my Power BI, and you see here the monthly list. So I can just go here to refresh. Now what happens? It's loading the third table into the table, and now check it out. See, the salary switched. So if I go back here to home, and of course I can go to transform data. Let me show you guys. This is the query, and now let me show you guys. If I go here to the source name, of course I will also refresh the preview here in my Power Query. Refresh it, and now you see all 3 folders into the query. And what happens is, in this matrix here, you see the new numbers of the first 3 months. So this means if you guys have kind of a structure like, you have a folder like a SAP export, and every month there's a new file coming with the same data for the new month, then you just put it into the folder, you refresh your query and your Power BI report, and you get the new data here. And this, in my mind, is one of the best features to work with Power Query. I hope this video gave you some insights for working with importing folders into Power BI. If you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, or click on the notification bell for further notifications. Thank you, see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.